Dreaming of owning your own tiny house? What if you could design it yourself, creating a cozy, efficient space that fits your needs and lifestyle? In today's video, we'll walk you through the steps of designing your very own tiny house from planning to building. Let's dive in. The tiny house movement is all about simplifying life, reducing living expenses, and living more sustainably. But designing your own tiny home requires careful planning. So, how do you start? The first step is deciding on how much space you really need. Before jumping into design, ask yourself, how many people will live here? Will you need a loft? How much storage will you need? All of this will influence your layout. Most tiny houses range from 100 to 400 square feet, but it's important to maximize every inch. Step 2. Choose the style and layout. Tiny houses come in all shapes and sizes. You might opt for a modern minimalist look or go with a more rustic, cozy vibe. The layout can be a traditional single level, or you could go vertical with a loft style to save space. Once you have a basic idea, think about materials. You'll want to choose lightweight but durable materials for the walls, roof, and flooring. Wood is popular for its natural look and insulation qualities, but steel or shipping containers are also options for durability. Step 4. Plumbing and electricity. Even tiny homes need modern amenities. You can either connect your house to the grid or use off-grid solutions like solar panels, rainwater harvesting, and composting toilets. These eco-friendly options reduce your environmental impact while making your tiny house self-sufficient. Don't forget about storage. In a tiny house, creative storage is key. Consider built-in shelves, multifunctional furniture, and hidden compartments to make the most out of every square foot. Step 6. Safety and mobility. If you plan on taking your tiny house on the road, make sure it's roadworthy. Ensure that it's properly insulated, that windows are securely fastened, and that it's built to withstand the elements while being transportable. Finally, budget your design carefully. While building a tiny house can be more affordable than buying a traditional home, you'll still need to account for costs like land, permits, utilities, and labor if you plan to hire professionals. Designing your own tiny house isn't just about creating a small space. It's about designing a life that's simple, efficient, and aligned with your values. With the right design, your tiny house can become your dream home, affordable, sustainable, and totally unique. Feeling inspired to design your own tiny house? Don't forget to like this video if you found these tips helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tiny house ideas and construction advice. Have any questions or design tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below.